It's Greg Torres. I'm on Sanibel Island and I'm actually in a landscape planting, and there's this really cool plant I want to show out. This is one of North America's only cycad species. I say species, but really I think it's an order of plants. Very ancient order, goes all the way back to the dinosaurs. This is Zamia integrifolia. Very old species of plant, or type of plant. You see kind of an interesting cone here, right? Similar to conifer cones in a way, but this plant's even older than that. As the cone starts to deteriorate, you can see the seeds that kind of come out. They're bright orange, and inside is like this nut. A woody nut that would need to be kind of broken down if you were to grow it by seed, like scarify it, scratch it up real well. Some interesting things about this plant. One, it's very unique. Two, this one is indigenous to South Florida and also some of the islands in the Caribbean. Although I think in Puerto Rico and Hispaniola it's been wiped out. And even in North America, I think it's listed as threatened. The Native Americans, like the Seminoles or Tequesta Indians, they would take the stem. There's a thick underground stem here, and if you dug that up, you could actually grind it down into like a pulp, soak it in water. It's very important to have to soak it in water because there's a real toxin in this called capsaicin? Cycadin, like cycad. But it's water soluble, so if you ground this down and then soaked it in water and ran a lot of water through it, you could actually get this kind of like starch that could then be used as kind of like a flour almost to bake bread and whatnot with it. So it's been used in the past as an actual food source by the Native Americans around here. What else? This is the host plant to Eumaeus Atala, the Atala butterfly, which, because this is threatened, that butterfly is also considered threatened or endangered. It's a beautiful butterfly. I think it's in the hair streak group of butterflies. It's kind of got a similar look. It's mostly black, but in like the light it shimmers almost a purpley blue color. So again, though, they've done a good job with planting several of these Zamia integrifolia. The Coontie is the common name for it. Coontie.